To be on the verdict that has been announced in the Argkar rape and murder case. Sanjo Roy, who was convicted of raping and murdering an on-duty trainee doctor at the state-run Argkar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata, has been sentenced to life term by a Sialda court. Along with this, the court also fined 50,000 rupees to the accused and also ordered Sanjo Roy to pay 10 lakh rupees to the trainee doctor's family. Judge Das said the crime did not fall under the rarest of rare category as justification for not giving the death penalty to the convict. Additionally, the court asked the state government to provide 17 lakh rupees in compensation to the victim's family. However, the trainee doctor's father, who was also present in the court at the time of the order, has refused to accept 10 lakh rupees from the accused and said he only wanted justice. Geeta Luthra, senior advocate, Supreme Court of India, is joining us live. Geeta Luthra, welcome. Thank you for being with us today. Your first reaction to this verdict that has been pronounced. Geeta Luthra, can you hear me? Okay, I think we are having some connection issues with her. But let me quickly bring in Dr. Aseem Mehti from the Argkar Hospital. Dr. Aseem Mehti, this of course is a case that you and many others from your fraternity had protested on for many, many days. What do you make of this verdict today?
Should I speak?
Dr. Mehti, can you hear me? Dr. Aseem Mehti?
Do you want me
I think
to
we've
address
lost. I think we've lost Dr. Aseem Mehti with us, but I think we have Geeta Luthra back with us. Geeta ji, can you hear me now? Okay, okay, yes, you're back with us now. All right, I was trying to ask you the question a short while back on this big verdict that has come in today. What do you make of this order?
So I think it's a little bit of a camouflage. I believe that there are many people who should have been part of the conspiracy. This is what I can discern, and these are people in various hospitals. This poor girl was a fighter and she was trying to espouse the cause of the doctors, saying that they should in fact have a duty roster. There should be people who shouldn't be able to come in the guise of home guards or people who are assisting, and she was obviously fighting against a nexus. This will happen in many hospitals. In some it is less, in some it is more. But surely for women doctors, for their protection, a duty roster is required. Now, when she says, or when the whole case as it appears from the doctors is that it is not just a single person who is just being, the lowest person in the rung who's being made and accused and convicted, and it is others who are part of the conspiracy, then this is unfortunate that matters die down when one person is convicted, while others who are more powerful, who are part of the nexus, get away. So if indeed it was a vendetta or vindictiveness against the outspokenness of the girl and the way it was sought to be covered, surely the investigating agencies had a better duty, and surely this is too inadequate.
All right, let me also ask you then, do you believe that this is a fit case then for an appeal? Those are of course options available to the family of the victim.
Available to the family of the victim, obviously, and I feel it's fit case, but the question is how much, when the investigation is not thorough, how much success will they get when they appeal? That's what happens in investigation. If investigation is blotched up, closed, if records are mutilated in the first few hours, how much can parents do, even if they want to? And how much can the friends and the doctors who are speaking? At least one life has been lost. At least there should be redressal and protection for the medical fraternity, for the interns, for the doctors, rosters, protection, an attempt to get rid of nexus, which may happen in many hospitals because beds are limited and persons who are suffering are innumerable. So you have to